Hi everyone. These look sort of like topaz or citrine. And these little cute little rectangles, they're cute. I thought, well, I'm going to use them in something. So I'm going to make an earring. I'm going to use 20 gauge head pins. And they're not the flimsy ones, they're solid, so they we'll do a loop on them. I'm going to take a bead. A spacer. Another bead. Another spacer. And another bead. These will be a slim little pair. Some of them I make are chunky and some of them slim. Take the bead. And that's a different kind of spacer. I don't know what it's called. On a rectangle. Spacer. And our bead. Alright, now we're going to cut them just a hair lower than a 1/2 inch. Because I found that works better on the last one I did. And hold this one. Go up above it. And we're going to take it, roll it backwards. Oh, and I'm going to put some more of my charm bracelets on here, but they'll be short little videos because basically this is what I'm doing to them. And then putting some rings on them and hooking them to the charm bracelet. And with the stainless steel, oh my gosh. If y'all had to watch me do a whole one, it'd take me 3 hours to do one because the stainless steel is hard. So I don't know what I'm going to do with those. I might not use them on it. I might use a lighter weight that bends easier because I wind up I'm holding it and then it flies out of my hand every time, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't see how people do these, but I guess they're not using stainless steel. But I wanted to use the stainless steel because I wanted my charms to always stay on there and not come off. But evidently, that is not going to work. So, yeah, because it would take me a decade to make 10 probably. And I know y'all don't want to sit through that, so I put on a couple beads and put on a couple charms, and then I do the rest off camera so y'all don't have to see it. But yeah, that'll be upcoming, and I'll have a few that's sprinkled here and there. Because I have some real pretty charms. So, and whenever you open that up, you twist it. And then twist it back. I wound up talking more than showing, I think. And there we go. Y'all, thanks for watching, and thanks for sticking out to the end. It does help me out. Liking and subscribing, and check out my other channels if you get a chance, and I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.